Gates open, the rough embracing JB's Godfather fast to begin, rushing up from the outside is Madame Leonora, running by the red, ravishing Rafi, Iron Mick in the middle, and moving up now is Valentine Dancer, while Treasure Island is the early trail. As they lead the straight, it's JB's Godfather leading by a length. Rushing up from the outside is Valentine Dancer, running by the red, ravishing Rafi. Moving up import Madame Leonora, Iron Mick racing in fifth, while Treasure Island still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Two entries fighting it out for the lead. JB's Godfather running by the rail. On the outside is Valentine Dancer, moving up by the rail by some 2 lengths, ravishing Rafi. Madame Leonora racing in fourth, and here comes Iron Mick. Rounding the 600, it's now JB's Godfather by 2, followed by Valentine Dancer. Ravishing Rafi getting closer in third by Iron Mick and Madame Leonora. As they pass the last 400, JB's Godfather, Ravishing Rafi moving up by the rail. On the outside is Iron Mick and Valentine Dancer fading out in fourth. As they race the final corner, it's JB's Godfather, Ravishing Rafi making ground around the inside. It's now Ravishing Rafi running by the rail. On the outside, JB's Godfather and Iron Mick. It's Ravishing Rafi followed by Iron Mick, but Ravishing Rafi, and finally Ravishing Rafi. Iron Mick, JB's Godfather, Valentine Dancer, Madame Leonora.